Another busy day today. Just got back from town. Just picked up some more wood. Chucked it on the truck. As you can see, no precautions in Thailand. Just throw it on. If it stays on, it stays on. If it falls off, it falls off. If it overhangs the back, they tie a plastic bag to it. So in the back here today, got a couple more water butts for the chickens. We got a sack of rice for the house. We got some chicken food, and we've got some, I believe it's lime powder to sprinkle around the chicken house to kill any germs, as far as I'm aware, and bit of shopping as well. So yeah, we'll crack on and get the last bits of wood cut, get that nailed up, and then start wrapping in the sheeting to stop the chickens getting out. So crack on. So a quick look round on what we did last night. Put the roof on, installed all the beds and stuff, which is still looking pretty good in there. Chicks are down the bottom here, all nice and happy. But like I say, they're going to be evicted pretty soon, because obviously the chickens that we've got coming are egg laying chickens, and these ones are for meat, so we can't mix them because obviously we won't know what eggs or what when they start laying. So today's project is to get these little wooden posts nailed up across so that we can lay on the plastic sheeting a bit later on. Here you go, there's the sack of sheet, the bag of sheeting is there. That's going to be the roof, and we've got some blue mesh that will go around the side. So yeah, let's have a quick look in through the window. All looking good. Chickens in there. Had a bit of a kick around in there by the looks of things, tipped a few baskets over, but all good. So here you have it. The first bit of netting is up on the roof, and just working my way round. That'll give the chickens lots of shade in the hot days to come. So once I've finished all of the roof, I will do a quick update again and then show you the sides once they're completed. Here you go, the netting on the roof is now all complete. Next job is to net round the sides. We'll go inside, have a quick look. There's Mum. Say hello, Mum. Mum's keeping an eye on me, making sure it's a good job. Here you go. Blazing sunlight outside, nice and cool inside. It's looking pretty good. I can walk underneath. That was the main reason of putting these bars up the top, is just to make it higher, so don't have to be bending down every 2 minutes. I think I will just come and chop this bit off, make it a little bit nicer. So there you have it. It's a far cry from the original chicken house. It's now a chicken house fit for a king. It's all looking good. As I say, one chicken was sleeping in here last night. He just tipped this bed up and chuck this egg out. I shall chuck him back in. I don't know what he's doing with that one. Well, it might have been the dogs come in and sneaked one. I don't know. So, all looking great. All looking good. So, we'll crack on, get the sides put up, and then come back. Check out the Blue Lagoon Chicken Hotel. Coming on fantastic. What a result. Say hello, Bear. Bear, say hello.
Hello.
So, look at this, stunning. Looking really, really good. Still got the back side to do. Sounds a bit rude that, but you know what I mean, I'm sure. So we're still to wrap this little window section around the back here. It's just laying out, make sure it all reaches. That's the internal view. Looking smashing. Looking really good. What do you think, Mon? Is it a good job? Camera can't hear you.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, good job. Okay. So yeah, we will come back in a few minutes. Well, for you guys, the next clip will be the finished wrap. Well, that's me completed with the netting all the way around. Looks pretty cool, if you ask me. I think the chickens will be nice and cozy in here. Mine's just putting the lime powder down to neutralise the soil and get rid of any ticks or anything. Like I say, just a little bit of blue mesh to go around the window bit of the house. This side's all done. So, just waiting on the delivery of the chickens now, which today's Thursday, and we're hoping they will arrive Saturday or Sunday. So we're now back on schedule with the chicken house completion. And yeah, be exciting. So the next video on the chicken house will be taking delivery of the chickens, and we are now moving on to installing the electric on the land, which the electrician has said hopefully we'll have that done by Sunday, and the delivery of the fish. So keep watching, please hit the subscribe and like button, and follow our journey here, life in Isan, Thailand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.